How to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open a browser and further open Hostinger and then log into your Hostinger account. Now, tap on Domains and then tap on Domains Portfolio. Further, tap on Manage for the domain that you want to connect to Shopify. Now, tap on the DNS or name servers option. Now locate your A record and then click Edit. Enter the following A record to your DNS settings, that is type, name, points to, and TTL. Now tap on the Update button. Now, locate the CNAME record that has the name www and then click it. Enter the following CNAME record to your DNS settings now, that is type, name, content, and TTL. Further, tap on the Update button again. Now, connect your domain to Shopify. Make sure you are signed in to your Shopify, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the settings option on the bottom left of your screen and further tap on the domains option from the left side toolbar. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Connect Existing Domain option, and now further go ahead and enter your Hostinger's domain in the text box you see there that you want to connect, and then tap on the Next option. As an additional security measure, your domain might require extra verification. This extra verification requires you to create a TXT record on the domain. So this is how you can connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.